Game nights are a great way for families to bond and have a fun time. It's also a fantastic way for kids to learn through play.
Now, for the next game night, check out Skillmatics' latest game, Guess in 10.
This is the most exciting game you'll find, filled with amazing content suitable for all ages from 6 to 99.
Ask up to 10 yes or no questions to help you correctly guess the game card.
Is it a carnivore? Does it live in groups? Is it fast?
Ask intelligent questions, use your clue cards wisely, and be the first player to win 7 game cards. With 50 exciting game cards in every box, get ready for hours and hours of fun.
This amazing game helps children build problem-solving skills, improves communication skills, and expands their general knowledge, all while having a blast.
Guess in 10 has over a dozen themes, including animals, countries, dinosaurs, states of America, and many more.
Whether at home or on the go, Guess in 10 is a great way to keep kids engaged. Building core skills is simply a bonus.
Guess in 10 is a must-have for every home and makes for a perfect gift. Get yours by searching for Skillmatics Guess in 10 on Amazon today.